how to close an account in Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can close an account in Remitly. If you wish to close your account on Remitly, there are a couple of options that you can follow, and the major way is by contacting the customer service. So the first step is to sign in into your Remitly account. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page. On this page, you can see your Remitly logo. Then you can see some tabs such as send money, transfer history, refer friends, etc. Then once you can see this, the next thing to do is to click on the welcome option where a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see options like settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. So just go ahead and click on help. So after clicking on help, wait for the helps page to fully load. So once that's loaded, you can see how can we help. Then here you can ask the question, how can you delete your Remitly account? All right, or you can just scroll down and then decide to chat with the customer service, or you can just call. Okay, note that you always get help 24/7. So for the chat, just click on the chat option. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, but by the time you click on the call option, the number that you have to call will be displayed. So just copy the number and then call. And then for the chat, once you click on chat, you can see the chat box being displayed. Then you'll be asked to enter in your first name and the last name. Note that the first name and the last name must be the same thing as the first name and the last name that you've entered into your profile page. So once you have it there, just type it out here. Then go ahead, click on start chatting. And after clicking on start chatting, go ahead and ask the question of how you can close your account immediately, and then you'll be further directed on what to do. So this is how to go about it. You must note that Remitly doesn't charge monthly subscription fees or fees for inactive account. So you can choose not to close your account if you prefer actually. But if you decide to proceed, just go ahead and ask these questions from these customer services, and then you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.